Hello and thanks for joining me. Well, this is going to be a short little follow-up video on the Vevor ultrasonic cleaner review I did just a few days ago. One of the things I cleaned in the ultrasonic was a steady rest for my Harding cataract lathe. It cleaned it up real nice. Of course, I wire brushed it too. It doesn't take rust off, but it cleaned it spotless. Anyway, it's got what I call jeweling. I've heard other people call it that. There might be another name for it. I don't know if you can see it in that or not. It's kind of like a swirl pattern. But we're going to do that we're going to restore that jeweling pattern on here. And I did it on the cross-sliding compound on the cataract already. But I'm going to cover how we did that. That thing right there is what we're going to use to make that jeweling with. All it is a piece of 3/4 inch rod that I turned down the end on so it'd fit in my drill press. And then I drilled a hole in this end and put a 1/2 inch dowel in there and then just put a little nail in there to hold it in. But that's what we're going to use to make that swirl pattern. Okay, this is going to be kind of time consuming and I won't show you the whole process, but what I got here is made by Loctite, Clover compound grinding and lapping. It's 280 grit. Finer or coarser might work better, I don't know, but this seems to work good. I just smear it all over what we're going to put the finish on, jeweling. Then, I don't know how big the steps are, but I take the dials or handles on my compound table and go 1, 2, 1, 2. And then I do the same thing this way to get that pattern. 1, 2. Now I can go 1, 2. Uh-oh. Got a problem I didn't anticipate. That's hitting my column right there. Well, I think the best thing to do is now I got to figure out a way to hold that the other way and match that pattern, or close to it anyway. That'll work. Well, let's clean that off and see what we got. Okay, I got some paint thinner in there. Not too bad. I don't know how I missed that, but I'm going to go back and touch that up. What happened is right back there, my table, the auxiliary table, whatever you want to call it, the wood table, hit the column. So I cut the edge of my wood table off. Now I can position it where I need to position it. Yeah, it looks better. I meant to put tape on this and forgot. Well, there it is. I think it turned out pretty good. Anyway, that about wraps it up for today. That's how you do jeweling, or at least one way to do it. Thanks for joining me, and be sure and subscribe.